Hi, Miss M6435. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good day to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Mona Lisa Bibinzuelo, 34 years old. I was born on June 19, 1991. I am single but I have a live-in partner with one son. He is 4 years old. I am Roman Catholic. I graduated 2 years in college. I took up computer science.
Okay, tell me about your work experience.
I have experience here in Philippines for 3 years. My duties and responsibilities in my employer is taking care of children, washing clothes and ironing, gardening, gardening.
Okay, and also you are car washing, right?
Yes, sir.
How many car do you car wash?
One
Every
every 1 week.
every 1 week, once a
Once a
week.
week.
Okay, so once a week. So you have experience taking care of the children, and also you are the one who tutoring them.
Yes.
And also they have a couple which is 45 and 46 years old, right?
Yes.
Okay, so since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes.
Do you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn?
Yes.
Because you have a children, right? So you know
Yes.
how to prepare a milk,
Yes.
and you can take care of a baby, right?
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will I will make him change the diaper
Okay,
or not feeling well
okay.
or feeling sleepy.
Okay, you will check the diaper and you
Yes.
will feed the baby. Maybe the baby is hungry, right?
Yes.
And if the baby is feeling sleepy, you will sing a lullaby.
Yes.
Okay, so if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I will tell my employer that the baby is not going to stop crying.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of higher salary and
High salary. And also Hong Kong is the safest country to work with, right?
yes.
So if you are have a salary on your employer's house, what will you do to your salary?
May half of my salary I will give to my family.
So you will help your family.
Yes.
That's why you want to work in Hong Kong. Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long my employer wants me to stay.
So it is okay to you to be extended your contract.
Yes.
Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
I will watch YouTube or follow the
Recipe books.
Yes.
And also, if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could ask them if they could teach you how to prepare so that you could learn, right?
Yes.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share a job without a helper.
Yes.
How about cutting your hair into short?
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
It's okay.
How about taking care of elderly?
It's okay. Yes.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my employer, I, to my future employer, please hire me because I will follow your rules and regulation and I'm hardworking woman, patient to children, trustworthy. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss. Mona Lisa. Thank you. Okay.